Hi, welcome to our channel, CyberLogic. Today, our topic: how to host your website on dark web in Windows 10. Open your browser and search here, Onion Share. Open first website. Watch here, download Onion Share, click on it. Download for Windows and wait for downloading. Open download file, simple, click on next and then install. Open Onion Share and connect with Tor network. Watch here, host website, click on it. Add your website folder.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Click on Start Sharing. Copy link and paste on Tor browser, then paste your secret key. You don't like key? Then select option Disable Public Key. Onion link just working on Tor browser. How to install Tor browser link in description. Thanks for watching.